What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. This is Overlanding Now, and today what we're going to be working on is something oh so small but extremely important and easy to install, and it is the 20mm ball mount from Carolina Metal Masters. Now, this little ball mount goes right on the grab handle inside your JL, probably make them for the JK, and this one is for the JT. Now, if you guys watched my last video, or one of the last videos, about my overlanding device management system, this is an addition to that I didn't think was absolutely necessary in that video because I didn't know, and I still don't really know what I'm going to use this for. But I know that this will be a great option for things that maybe I want to get off of my dashboard, whether it is a secondary phone mount for the passenger, because this little ball screws right into the dash, essentially, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And then you can mount pretty much any 20mm device mount to this. Now, most of the device mounts that you get all will fit a 20mm ball, so you don't have to worry about that. I'll put a link down below to Carolina Metal Masters. If you want to go check out how to get one of these, I don't know, I think that was about 40 bucks, maybe 30. It's kind of expensive for what it is, but everything, it seems like, in the overlanding world is extremely expensive for absolutely no reason. But either way, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to install this, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can come along for the adventure, and let's hop right into figuring this thing out. Alright, so the only thing you're going to need to do this is a number 8 Allen wrench to get this bolt off right here. And then where this comes off, your Carolina Metal Masters mount replaces that spot. Now, there's also other Carolina Metal Masters ball mounts that you can put up here on your grab handle on both sides. So there's more than just this one. The only reason I got this one is because the only thing I need is the potential to mount a cell phone, possibly the Garmin that goes here. I'm not sure, but just having an extra point of contact isn't a terrible idea. So if you get your Allen wrench and you unscrew this bolt, comes right out, super easy. And then you take your Carolina Metal Masters mount and you screw that in there. Now what I have is a pair of pliers. That way I can tighten this mount up. I'm just trying to be easy as I can with it, because it's really hard to get that tight with just your hands. So if you can just grab a pair of pliers or channel locks, tighten that down pretty much as far as it'll go, or until it seems sturdy. And that's really the end of it. Now you have another mounting option. So for this, for example, the Garmin InReach is usually up here. Well, if I don't want it there and it makes more sense for it to be over here, all I have to do is move it, put this back on, and you have your Garmin here. Or you could put your Garmin, keep your Garmin there, put your phone here, put your iPhone here, whatever you really want, but it's a super simple application. It makes having more mounting spots an easy thing to accomplish, and quite honestly, you really can't have too many because you never know what's going to work until you get out there, and what works on one trip may not work on another trip, and so on. So hopefully this was something that was helpful. I know as I travel, I try to find new ways and new solutions to mount my stuff, or just ways to outfit the vehicle differently every time I travel. So if you guys like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can come along for the adventures, and we'll see you on the other one.